Okay, so in this first lesson, let's create our building. So first, what I'm gonna do is create this kind of a platform for our building. Let's make it pretty long. All right. Okay. Now let's start making walls. So let me just add here some width, height, and length. Right. That should be fine. Okay, let's place it into position. Okay. Right, so now we can convert it to editable poly. Let's grab this polygon and extrude this by 40 centimeters. Now let's make another extrusion. Right, and one more here. Okay. Right, so now let's take those two polygons and extrude this up. Okay, and one more time. Right, now we can use our bridge tool to connect those polygons. Right, so now let's go and create this left part of our building. So I create this from rectangle tool. Okay, let's just make sure that this is straight. Okay, I just add simple material very quickly so you can see better this edges. Right, from the top view, let's make sure that this is straight. Right, okay, so now we can convert this into a editable poly. Okay, okay. So let's now start adding some edges here. It's gonna help us to make some kind of a passage from this top floor to this left part. Okay, right, put some rounded value here. Okay, make sure that this is planar. Okay, and another one here. Put the value. Alright, so we need some two more loops. So one and second. Alright, okay, so now what I'm gonna do is go to polygon mode and select those two polygons. Okay, so let's this and this. Okay, and use bridge tool. Right, and as well grab those two and again use bridge tool. Okay, so we get this this passage here. Okay, So let's just create something here. Let's add edges. Okay. Let's delete those polygons. Right. Okay, so we have now here these holes in our walls. So use create tool and create those polygons again. Right. Okay. Okay, let's add one more edge. Okay, and extrude this couple of centimeters, and that's actually alright. So we get here some kind of a 2 rooms. So this maybe will be the kitchen, and in the front we are gonna have living room. Okay. Okay, so let's create here wall. Okay. Okay. Okay, so maybe one more here. Okay. Okay. Let's now create frames for window. So let's use rectangle tool. Okay. 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 Let's actually delete those polygons. We don't need that. Okay. Let's just fill those holes. Okay. Convert it to table poly, so now it will be much easier to adjust the size. Okay. Okay, great. So let's now grab those edges and add just a little bit chamfer to it. let's center pivot to center of this object and make a copy. Okay. Okay, so make another copy to the bottom. Okay. And as well to this top left part. Okay. Okay, so center pivot. Okay. Let's now create glass. Okay. I just pressed Alt X to make it transparent. Okay. And let's copy the whole window. Okay. Okay. Now let's lower this roof a little bit. Okay. No, actually, let's make 60. Okay, so move this a little bit back. Okay. Alright, so we can turn off our transparency. Again, this is Alt X on keyboard. Okay, so let's okay, so now let's go to this window and let's create this some kind of shutters. Alright, let's just adjust the size. Okay, and maybe 1 centimeters of height. Alright. Okay, and rotate this slightly. Okay, I think that's enough. And finally convert it to editable poly, so it's be much easiest to adjust the size. Okay. Okay, so grab all the edges and add chamfer to this. Okay. Okay, move this just a little bit up and make couple of copy of it. Let's go with this. Oh, that is actually perfect. Okay. So let's actually go to this. Let's select it. Okay. And let's hide. So we can create windows here. Okay, let's copy this this glass part. Okay. Convert to the table poly. Okay. And match it up with our frame. Okay. Let's check this out. What we can do here. Okay, let's create another passage, but now to the garage. Okay. So the height the same as our platform. Okay. Let's actually maybe adjust this width. Okay, so convert to the table poly and again add couple of more edges. Let's maybe actually go with 2 segments and increase the pinch. Okay. Now grab those 2 polygons or wait. Actually, let's create 2 more. Okay. Okay. And now let's grab this and this polygon and extrude by our height. Okay. Use bridge tool. Same here. Okay. And now let's model now garage. Okay. Extrude. Okay. Okay. And let's select all those polygons. Okay. Actually, let's select those as well, or maybe actually let's make this a little bit longer. Okay. And now let's grab those polygons. Okay, and one more here. And extrude this by some value here. Okay, and another extrusion, and use bridge tool now with those polygons selected. Okay. Okay. So okay, so let's back to our windows. What we can do here? Maybe let's just adjust this a little bit more. Okay. And now, when we finish it, let's actually okay, let's delete those glass part. We are gonna make some kind of a harmonic doors with here. Okay. Okay, so let's just ring connect, select two create two segments with some pinch value. Okay, and just select this one and this one polygon and extrude by local normal inside a little bit. Okay, minus 2.5 should be fine. Okay. Okay, so let's maybe divide those edges by 3. Okay, and create windows now. Okay, and just add material really fast so you can see edges much better. Okay. All right. I guess I forgot to remove pinch value when I was dividing those edges in frame, so it's not equal. Okay. Let's make instance so it's be much easier to match the size of windows with this main frame. Okay. So just a little bit again, move to the right. Okay. And now add glass for our windows. Okay. Okay, great. Let's just scale just a little bit. Okay. And make a instance of it. Alright. Okay, let's just. Okay. Okay, so to make this look more interesting, let's actually make this windows open. Okay. Okay, so let's just manually. Okay. Okay. It doesn't need to be perfect. So. Okay. And the last one. Okay. Oh, this is too much, so. Okay. Okay, looks pretty good. Okay. So let's go to the top view and create maybe some connection between these windows. Okay, I just gonna use line. Okay. Okay. Okay, and just convert it to editable poly and guide quickly material and maybe add some chamfer to it. Just a little bit, or maybe let's actually select this edge and extrude this just a little bit back to add some feel to this part that can actually move. Okay. and maybe 3 pieces. Alright, and let's copy this to the second windows and adjust the shape of it to this. Okay, and okay, I tell you what, let's actually delete or actually let's copy this z value and paste it to this part. The same from with this bottom piece. Okay. So let's copy this this frame to the back. Okay. Let's copy one window. Okay. Okay, and just move this maybe to the right. Okay, because this is the part that we are gonna actually see in the render. So we are not gonna see this side because our camera will be somewhere over here. So as can you see, we can't see what is there. So let's just leave it as it is and make windows for this passage to the garage. Okay, let's copy this. All right. Okay. Let's move this here. Okay. Because this is part that we definitely we're gonna see. So we want to make sure that everything is correct here. All right. Well, let's just match up a little bit more. Okay. Oops, I selected something in the back. All right. So I think that's it for this one lesson. We have couple of more minutes for modeling part to use. So in the next lesson we are gonna actually finish modeling this building and start creating next some grass and trees.